Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this easy and practical tutorial, we will learn how to insert an image into the footer in Microsoft Word quickly and professionally. This is very useful for adding logos, signatures, watermarks, branding elements, or design graphics at the bottom of your document. In this video, we will discover the correct method to insert, resize, and position images inside the footer area without distributing your document layout. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. We can see here this assignment and many page here. Now I want to insert an image into footer. Double click on the footer, then you can see already added the page number. Now I am remove this, then go to the design menu, click the picture option, then go to your picture from your file, select the image, go to the design format menu, click wrap text, choose in front of text, then resize the image and move it on the footer, then resize it, then go to the design menu, click close header and footer, then check the all page. We can see here we added the image on footer very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.